Hi there, welcome back to my channel. How to check or view saved password on your Android phone. Do you want to see or view saved passwords on your Android phone? So if you forgot password and want to see it, then follow the instructions. In this video I will show you how to see all saved passwords on your Android phone. Let's start. At first connect Wi-Fi or mobile data. And then go to your phone settings. Then scroll down and find out Google. And tap on Google. Now click on Manage your Google account. Now swipe right and select Security. Then scroll down again and go to Password Manager. Here you will see all apps' passwords saved on your Android phone. Now tap on any app you want to see the saved password. Here you may need to enter your phone lock password or provide a face or fingers for unblock. Now tap on this icon, and here you will see your saved password. So this is how to see or view all apps' passwords saved on your Android phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.